Now we want to create another plugin that renders our chart that we have added before in our Apex application. We click on Shared Components, Plugins, and click again on Create. You can also make a copy of an existing plugin, but we use from scratch. We enter the name and the internal name again and change the type to region. Now we copy the code from the example app into the region source, and we will take a look at the code. Here we have again our render function, the variable declaration that is near the same code that we have used on our Apex page. We load the chart library from our static files. We add the chart region, and then we have not this hard-coded statement from our page. We can change this code directly on our page for this chart plugin. And then we call the JavaScript library, and that's it. So let's create the plugin and add our render function. But you see, we have used here for our statement that loads the data p region attribute 01. So we have this attribute here to add custom attributes. So we enter here SQL query, change the type to SQL query, say it's required, and we have minimum 2 columns for the x-axis and the epsilon axis, and maximum 2 columns. Okay, so let's start. We click on create, then we apply changes, and now we can add this plugin to our page. So a statement is required. A sample statement you can copy out of my sample application. Let's do this. And now we can press save. And you can see we have here another plugin that will render our chart. And when we start our sample app, we can see the chart. Cool thing, it's very easy.